Hola! Este vídeo dura 6 minutos. De que me gusta y suscríbete. Soy OMMICANGS y tú estás en OMMICANGS. Disfruta! Alright, so on my mobile now, so the very first thing you want to do is head over to Play Store, or if you're on iOS, head over to your App Store and go search for Flood. Alright, so the app we're looking for is Flood Finance. Okay, so once you search for that, this is gonna come up. Okay, this is the logo for Flood Finance app, and yours will be installed rather than open, but once you install it, you would have it as open. So you want to tap on the open button and you're going to come up with this interface, a very lovely looking interface that has this fluid like motion. Let me show you what I mean. You see that they really took their time to build the UI UX on this one, and very kudos to the guys who made this app. They did absolutely well. Okay, so let's head over now to the sign up page for Flood. Once you've opened all the peripherals, you would come up to the sign up page, okay, where you have to add your email. You have to add your email and you have to add your password, your intended password to sign up on Flood. Alright, so for the purpose of this, I'll be using Catacrown for the mail, and I'll be using my saved password already as the password. It's already saved there, so let me just do that. And you want to ensure that your password matches all the requirements for the security. Then you want to tap on sign up. But before you tap on sign up, you'll see that checkbox of I have an invite. I'm going to leave my invite link in the description below, so please try to use my invite link, all right, so that we both win on this one. Okay, so don't forget to use my invite link. Really appreciate it. Let's just win together. So you want to tap on sign up, and this is going to come up a page where you have to confirm your email. All right, notice that they would have sent the email already to your respective Gmail, so that you can like pick it up and verify your email. That's the very first thing you want to do. So let us head over to login, so that I can go back to login and then head over to my Gmail right now, so that I can verify or confirm my email. And there you have it. You see the verify your email from Flood. It's already dropped into my email, and now just tap on it. Then we scroll up so as to see that green big button that says big green button that says verify my email. You want to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you would have to open it with Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using. All right, so you would open it with that, and it will take you over to app.flood.ch. all right, so that it will verify your email instantly, and that is what it is doing for me right now at this point. Okay, so you're gonna see a message that will be like, whoop whoop, your email has been confirmed. Yeah, I told you, that's it. So now let us go back to the app and let us try to log in with our verified email now. Okay, let's see the beauty of this app. Though their charges are pretty high, but don't worry, that will be another discussion for another day. So let me just sign in on the app, okay, to show you how it's done. Oh, I can't seem to spell my own username again. Okay, or my email rather. All right, okay, successfully signed in. Let's just sign in. Now we have to create a code. Okay, so you have to create your login code. So I would leave this open to the public view. I'm not really using this account. It's just a demo account for the sake of this session that we are having right now. Then you have to use biometric authentication if you have fingerprint enabled. So I'm going to enable that. All right, and this would be your dashboard, right? My wealth is what they call it. It's your wealth, my wealth. Okay, so you have the top up and you have the send. So when you tap on the top up, you're gonna see a page that comes up with bank transfer and also to top up with card. So I'll be discussing that topping up with card in another session on how you can load your Flood account from your bank account and perform arbitrage on it. All right, but for now we're just talking about how to register or how to sign up for Flood in under 6 minutes. Okay, so that is what we're looking at right now. So in the upcoming sessions, we'll be talking about how to load up your card on Flood, right, and mint from that arbitrage system there. So for now, let us just ignore all these other features. I'm just showing you the features, and let's head over to my profile where you will see your nickname and your phone number. It is important for you to update your phone number once you sign into the app, all right, and then you want to also change that nickname. So let's start with the nickname first. I'm going to change the nickname. Let's change that. I'm going to change it to Kata. All right, and you'll see it is updated right now. Okay, so now you want to change the phone number, after which you would have to receive an OTP to verify your phone number. All right, don't forget to do these two things immediately you sign up. So you want to tap on the country there. Let's change it from US. It's no longer going to be in US because I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to use Nigeria, but whichever country you're from, put it there. Okay, then you want to put your respective mobile number there. I'm going to have to secure this one. Okay, so I'm going to get an OTP. It has dropped, and let us just insert it in. All right, so let's put the OTP in on that one. Okay, and then tap on confirm to confirm my mobile number. You'll see that pop-up notification that says your phone verified successfully. So if you scroll up a bit on this one, or you scroll down, whichever way, you'll see this flow token and the referral program. Don't worry about that, we'll be talking about that in different sessions, but for now, let's just learn how to successfully sign up on Flood. And let's go back to my dashboard a bit. Let me show you something that we'll be discussing on in the next session. All right, if you scroll up from your dashboard on this my words page and you see that Flood extras, all right, very important. When you tap on it, you'll see it will open up a page for you to verify your ID. It is always important you verify your ID on whatever app you're on before you start performing transactions. So I'll be showing you how to do that in the next session.